Question number 5. A circle has the center 4, 2. Okay. And meet the x-axis at negative 2, 0. Okay, let me show you how the circle will be. This one is 4. This one is 2. So this point is the center, which is 4, 2. Okay. And this circle meet the x-axis at negative 2, 0. This one is negative 2 and 0. Okay. This point is passing through the circle, so circle will be like this one. Find the equation of the circle. We know that the circle equation is equal to x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to radius square. This is the equation of circle where h and k are the center, with r is the radius. It's mean to have the equation of the circle, we should have the center and the radius. Center is already given. This means this is h and k. We need to find the radius. And it is given that the circle is passing through the point which is negative 2, 0. So if we find the distance from the center to this point, so what we will get? We will get the radius. We already have the center and we will find the radius by using the distance formula. We have 2 points center, which is we call it x1 and y1. And this one is equals to 4, 2. We have the another point which is negative 2, 0, and this one is equals to x2 and y2. So we can use distance formula, which is in this case is the radius, because we are finding the distance between these 2 points, and this formula is equals to the, in under root we will have x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. I just told you x1, y1 which is 4 and 2, x2, y2 which is negative 2 and 0. So plugging these value we can find the radius, which is the distance between these 2 points. So x2 minus x1 means negative 2 minus x1 means 4. So negative 2 minus 4 whole square plus y2 which is 0 minus y1 which is 2. So 0 minus 2 whole square. So for the solving we will have, so this one is negative 6 square which is 36 and negative 2 square which is 4. So we can say that this one is equal to under root 40. R square is equal to 40. Because this one is R, when we take square of the under root 40 we get R square. Now I just told you this is the equation of the circle. We have the center, we have the radius. Plugging these value in this equation of the circle, we will get the equation of this circle. X minus h is 4 whole square plus y minus k means y minus k which is 2. So y minus 2 whole square which is equals to the radius square means 40. This is the required equation of the given circle. Now part B, find in exact form the coordinates of the points where the circle meets the y. Did you notice that coordinates of the points where circle meets the y-axis? It's mean this circle meets the y-axis at 2 points because it is same points. So it's mean you should calculate more than 1 points. When I draw the circle, this may be the 1 point in the y-axis and this may be the another point in the y-axis. It's mean we should have 2 points on the y-axis. How we can find it? As we know that any point on the y-axis will have the x coordinate 0. So we just need to plug x is equal to 0 so that we can find the value of y. So plug x is equal to 0 in circle equation. Another concept you should remember that when we find the point from the equation, it means it will be the quadratic equation, because we need to find the 2 points from the circle equation. It means circle equation will be converted into the quadratic equation. Now plug this x is equal to 0 in the circle equation. We will have x minus 4 means 0 minus 4 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square means y square minus 4y plus 4 equals to 40. So this one is equals to 16 plus y square minus 4y plus 4 equals to 40. I just told you you will have the quadratic equation because we need to find two coordinates of the y-axis. So y square minus 4y and this one is plus 20 is equal to 40, or you can say the y square minus 4y minus 20 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation and cannot be solved by factorization. So we need to apply quadratic formula. So y is equals to negative b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. So coefficient of y square is a, this one is b, and this one is c. So y is equals to negative b means minus times negative 4 plus minus under root negative 4 square minus 4 times a which is 1 times c which is negative 20 over 2 times a means 2 times 1. So y is equals to the negative, this one will be positive 4 plus minus under root 4 square, negative 4 square is 16, negative 4 times negative 20 is plus 80, okay, over 2, and this one is equals to 4 plus minus under root 80 plus 16 is 96 over 2. I think 96 is equals to 24 times 4, okay, so we can write it 4 plus minus under root 4 times 24 over 2. So this one is equals to 4 plus minus 2 under root 24 over 2. So for the solving we will have 2 plus minus under root 24. We plug the value of x 0. So we have the y coordinate which is 2 plus minus under root 24. So we can say that points are 0, 2 plus under root 24, and another point is 0, 2 minus under root 24. So these are the 2 points where this circle will meet y-axis. So you can say that this one is 0, 2 plus under root 24, and this one will be the 0, 2 minus under root 24. Okay.